Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 13.2 question number 8. A factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? Here they have given we made a table that is number of machines and number of days. When the number of machines is 42, the number of days to make a given number of particles is 63. When the number of days is 54, you have to find the number of machines. Let the number of machines be x. Here you see that the number of machines, 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 and the number of days, and the number of days, and the number of days are in inverse proportion, are in inverse proportion, inverse proportion. Therefore, you can write 42 into 63 is equal to 54 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 42 into 63 divided by 54. Right? If we divide it by 7, 7 9 is 63, 7 8 is 54, and 8 is 8, 6 8 is 42. This is 6, 6 8 is